In a historic gesture, the Prime Minister of Mauritius, Navin Chandra Ramgoolam, has announced the highest award, the Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean, for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Notably, Prime Minister Modi becomes the first Indian to receive the honour. This becomes the 21st international award bestowed upon Prime Minister Modi by our country. During the event, Mauritius Prime Minister Navin Chandra Ramgoolam said that since the nation became a republic, only 5 foreign dignitaries have got that title, and among them is Nelson Mandela, who received it in 1998. At the Indian community event where the announcement was made, the national anthems of India and Mauritius were also played in the presence of Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Navin Chandra Ramgoolam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is on a visit to Mauritius, attended the Mauritius National Day celebrations as the chief guest, highlighting the strong diplomatic and cultural ties between India and Mauritius. During his visit, he presented the President and the First Lady of Mauritius with OCI cards, along with presenting them with holy Sangam water from Mahakumbh in a brass and copper pot, superfood makhana and Banarsi sari in a Sadeli box to the First Lady of Mauritius.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से विनम्र अनुरोध है कि वे श्रीमती वीना रामगुलाम जी को ओसीआई कार्ड प्रदान करने की कृपा करें। देवियों सज्जनों, ओसीआई कार्ड भारतीय मूल के विदेशी नागरिकों को भारत आने जाने और रहने में कई सुविधाएं प्रदान करता है, जैसे कि आजीवन वीजा, बिना कोई परेशानी यात्रा करना, वित्तीय, आर्थिक, शैक्षिक क्षेत्रों में एनआरआई भारतीयों के समान अधिकार देना। बहुत धन्यवाद। I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, to hand over the Overseas Citizenship of India card to the Honorable Prime Minister of Mauritius, Dr. Navin Chandra Ramgoolam.
It's a really pleasant surprise. Myself and Veena were very touched by this gesture. Modi ji, I will tell you about Sri Vajpayee. When he came to see us at home, Veena wanted me to ask whether she can get an OCI card. It was just started then. Which Vajpayee ji said, yes, but on one condition, that your husband doesn't do politics in India. It is perhaps fitting that if you've just awarded me this great honor, it is perhaps fitting that I should also announce to everybody here today that I've asked the President of the Republic to award to you, Sri Modi, the highest award that we have, Grand Commander of the Order of the Star. Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean, very fitting for you, Prime Minister. Since we became a republic, only 5 people have got that title. 5 foreign dignitaries, I mean. And among them, there is the person we call the Gandhi of Africa, Nelson Mandela. He received it in 1998.
मॉरिशस के लोगों ने, यहाँ की सरकार ने और जैसा अभी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने घोषित किया, मुझे अपना सर्वोच्च नागरिक सम्मान देने का फैसला लिया है। मैं आपके निर्णय को विनम्रता से स्वीकार करता हूं। ये भारत और मॉरिशस के ऐतिहासिक रिश्तों का सम्मान है। ये उन भारतीयों का सम्मान है जिन्होंने पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी इस धरती की खूब सेवा की। आज मॉरिशस को इस ऊंचाई पर लेकर आए हैं। मैं मॉरिशस के हर नागरिक का, यहां की सरकार का इस सम्मान के लिए आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।